And welcome guys in my channel all about crypto. In this video I am going to share a hidden gem which can give you more profit in 2021. So come with my video and I am going to share this coin. The coin will give you more profit and I will show you all information about the coin. Then you can understand the coin and you can check it out and you can buy them for the whole and long time and you can get more profit. Okay, I'm saying the more profit, and you know that online crypto always give more and more and more profit with the all about crypto. Okay, so let's get started. I'm sharing with you MAN coin. Yes guys, Matrix AL network. You can see the 0.02 is price, but listen guys, I'm going to share you the price prediction with the video, so you can see last video, then I can share you price prediction and you can understand the price, what is the price, next price in 2021 in nearby 1 or 2 months, no more than, then you can see the price is more. I hope is price go to the $2 or $5. Yes guys, I'm just saying that the $2 or $5 is near future in 2 or 3 months. Okay, so I'm going to show you what is the crypto project is AMN Matrix, what is the Matrix, and so let's get started. I'm showing you all about the Matrix. Okay, so guys, Matrix is a global open source public intelligent blockchain based distributed computing platform, one of the system that combines artificial intelligence, yes, AI. What is the AI? Artificial intelligence and blockchain. Matrix was created to make blockchain faster, more flexible, more secure and more eligible. You can make the Ethereum. If you see Ethereum, the Ethereum is taking more time, more high fees, and so many people are suffering for the fees and the timing. Okay, so they use Matrix. Matrix can give more fast speed and a low cost of fee. Okay, so we can base the best spotting up to 50 transactions per second. You can understand 50 transactions per second. There are a couple of features which make a Matrix AI network standard up from this computation. Matrix adopt Hydro POS plus POW consensus matching enables the trading hash compilation method make use value addition. You can use the Mu chain discovery AI token about the you can power real power operation currently being used and build the research hospital improve speed and accuracy of the consultation. In short, we can know that Matrix is a platform which can based on an artificial intelligent AI. It can give more fast speed, speed also with the great low fee for the every transaction. Okay, you can see the white. I'm showing you the white paper. What is the white paper? What is the total distribution of token? What is the total token? I will show you. Okay, first we need to understand what is the trading value is here. You can see the trading value 311. Okay, 311990 is trading value is low, but in the near future just 2 or 3 months it go to high and price will go to very high. Okay, you can see the 24 low and high, and circulating supply is to very low. Okay, the half circulating supply is here. You can see that the circulating supply is low, therefore you can chance to get a big profit for this token. I'm going to show you what is the main source of this AMN coin and what is the Ethereum address and what is their project. Okay, in the ethercan.com you can check their coin MAI. Okay, MAI. You can check the MAN token. You can in the etherscan.com you can check the token name. You can check the all contract address. You can check the contract address is verified and token is always safe for the invest and the safe invest and my responsibility is your loss. Okay, because I trust this token, I studied this token very much and therefore I make video, because if I not study then I can't make video. Okay, so you can understand contract address, decimal, official website. I'm going to share you what is the official website of here. You can check out what is the AI network updates and what is the AI used for the idea. Okay, you can check there. Okay, I'm going to show you Matrix leverage the lot intelligent AI, okay, technology delivered to the promising blockchain key emergence intuition, okay. Autocoding mean AI. What is the AI mean? AI means in technology you can automatic do all things we can human do, okay. So intelligent contracts, you can see matrix intelligent contracts, natural languages programs. Based on natural languages, like very, if you are living in any area there, your language also considered, but the first two languages are support English and Chinese. Second language is coming, so I hope they come fast and better profit for all of us, okay. The feature number 2, all powered crypto based security, or you can take adopting blockchain adoption is very fast. You can see fiction value addition, mining. What is it? You need to understand what is the mining is creating a new tokens for the market, and miners can get profit, but the mining is, you can read their mining, what is the mining happen and where happen, okay. Domestic, you can check all network, you can check the team. The team is very important because without the team you can't do anything, because team is the main source of the project. Without, if team is not good, then project can't do more. But you can see the team leaders, you can check the 3 team leaders are very best and expert for the cryptocurrency, then it can be get more profit for us, okay. You can see here, you can see the launching September 26, 2076, launching January 27, and you can check 2078, you can check 2020 Age of Wonder, you can check the Chinese, its team tracking the blockchain, you can check the community, you can check association with, okay. Association is very important because a team with coordinate with all things is very important. You can say the partners, you can check the community, you can check the partners here, okay, and you can check the exchanges, which exchange listing. You need to understand KuCoin, okay. You need to understand KuCoin is a very big exchange, and if KuCoin is listed here, then you can understand the great power of this project. So go and join fast. Project buy token, leaving the very low price, so you can join and you can get profit, okay. So you can check, you can join their social media accounts, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, all things are available here, so you can do all things, okay. So I'm going to show you white paper, all things you can, okay. I'm going to show white paper, okay. White paper is loading, okay, waiting. Okay, you can see the white paper is happening here. You are advised to read the risk and confirm. Just think, read carefully, okay. We are going to read. The token sale is not open, registered people's public sale is not a US person, okay. But you can understand the white paper, then you can understand all project gratefully, okay. I'm going to share with the project, okay. In the Bitcoin 2020 system advanced cryptocurrency, okay. Bitcoin is launched, therefore all cryptocurrencies introduced, and we know about the cryptocurrency, therefore all projects are come, and therefore all projects are booming, like all Ethereum, XRP, TRX, all projects are booming like this. The matrix is come for the boom in the market, so you can get profit from it, okay. So you need to understand automatic generation smart contract. These are based on the speed and low fees for the all transaction, therefore the automatic smart contract is important, and you can generate automatic smart contract here. Security smart contract, high speed transaction. You can know the Ethereum is very low speed transaction, Bitcoin is very low speed transaction, but the matrix is very important for the transactions. You can give more transaction for you with the low cost of fees. Yes guys, okay. You can understand valuation, you can understand all things. I'm going to share this link in the description, so you can go and join fast and you can get more profit from it, okay. So okay, yeah, bye bye. You can understand here. So guys, go and join this project and buy coin if you are want to buy. I'm going to share you all information. I shared you all information, so you can buy this and get more and more profit. So very low price happening here, so price will can pump with the small investment. So go and join and you can get more profit. $2 or $4 is minimum for this 1 to 3 months take, and $4 happen. You can mark my words, okay. So yeah, bye bye. So go and join project. I hope you will join. Thank you.